Hi, folks. Mike from Kitchen Magic. I was meeting with some folks today and once again got asked the question, Mike, how does a laminate cabinet and door hold up to a painted door? Figured I'd take a second and share with you here a little high-end overview on this. Painting doors and cabinets can be fine. You're going to end up keeping your same door style, and you're either going to go to well, some people actually take a brush and a roller. I highly recommend you don't do that. Other folks will go to a home store and get a kit. They make the kits and buy the paint. But it's a very laborious process. It's not as easy as you might think, but it can turn out okay. Other folks will hire somebody to come in. They might spend $5 to $6 to $7,000 to do that. The point is, you can paint. The downside to painting is the fact that it's not permanent, guys. You can look at your stained or your wood or your painted cabinets, and around the knobs, you start seeing the dirt. It's hard to keep up. Wood is porous too, remember that, so it expands and it contracts. So that expansion and contraction can cause some painting and some cracking, and then you can see long run that it may chip. So here's the thing: painting a cabinet's not a permanent solution. On the other hand, if you use a laminate on a box, or an engineered surface on a box, and with the door a laminate or a vinyl wrap, this is more of a permanent solution. It's not susceptible to expansion and contraction. It's not going to wear out like paint does. And so in the long run, it's going to be more permanent. It's going to cost a little bit more, but and it's going to be maintenance free. I mean, if you've had stained wood cabinets or painted cabinets, keeping them clean can be a chore. Here, engineered surface, it's just take care of it with mild cleaners. The last thing I'll share with you is what I share with my customers too. Think of a deck. If you have a deck, or you have a family member that has a deck, and you have a wood deck and it gets old and it starts cracking and peeling, and your options are to restain it or repaint it, which isn't expensive in itself, but it's laborious there. If you were thinking about getting a new deck, what would you do? Would you turn around and get another, pressure treated, but it's going to be stained or painted, and it'll look nice, but down the road you're going to have to redo it. Whereas maybe if you considered an engineered surface, one of the more popular names is Trex, and you had a Trex deck, well, we all know that those come with warranties and are going to last longer, as do the engineered cabinets. If you're with a good company, you're going to get a good warranty. Okay, taking enough of your time here. If you have any other questions about things, look at some of our other blogs at kitchenmagic.com. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Bye.